I've always liked numbers ever since I was a kid. And for a number of years, I was a financial planner. And I remember one time in Kansas City, Kansas, I sat down with a young man and we started talking. I really didn't know him. Back in those days, I would set up appointments by what's called cold calling. I would call people I didn't know and engage them in conversation as quickly as I could with the end goal of being able to come into their home, sit down and talk to them about something as personal as finances and see if I could help them. So I'm sitting down with this young man and he's 24 years old. And as I looked at those numbers, 24, I realized the numbers were reversed. I was 42, 18 years older. And I found myself kind of subconsciously thinking back the 18 years to when I was 24 and what I knew then, and coming back to the present and what I know now. And I wish somebody had shared with me when I was 24 the things that I was going to be sharing with him. But I pointed this out to him that there's 18 years difference, that our numbers were reversed. And we had an interesting conversation for a few minutes about that. But then I asked him what I think is a very fair question, a very good question. I said, what are your plans for your next 18 years? And it was interesting that he really didn't have any plans. He was just living his life, enjoying life, doing the things that he liked to do. And so I said, let's reverse your numbers going back to age 20. So if we reverse the numbers 2 and 0 at age 20, we have 0 and 2. So he's going back to the past of a 2-year-old. Now, I don't particularly think that's too productive. And so I said, let's move on to 21 and reverse those numbers to 12. Now, from 12 to 21, you can really see significant growth in your life because you're going from being a 12-year-old kid, but he could see from 12 to 21, that 9-year period, that he grew from being a boy into a man, almost ready to graduate from college. And there's a lot of accomplishments during that 9 years. Perhaps maybe the most significant accomplishments a person can make in their life. Okay, so then let's move to age 22. Now, 22 is an interesting time because you can't look backwards, you can't look forward. You're looking at 22, where you are right now at this age. And that happens throughout your life at 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99.